Maximize your investment in Jira Service Management with T4S Partners SureSupport. At T4S Partners, we know that managing and optimizing your Jira Service Management (JSM) environment can be complex, but it doesn't have to be. Our SureSupport offering is designed to ensure your JSM platform operates at peak performance while empowering your teams to deliver exceptional service. Here's how SureSupport can help your business. Expert platform management. From updates to configurations, our team ensures your JSM environment is always aligned with your business needs. Custom workflows and automations. Drive efficiency with tailored workflows and automations built specifically for your organization. Proactive maintenance. Minimize disruptions with ongoing monitoring, regular updates, and preventive maintenance. Integration support. Seamlessly connect JSM with tools like Slack, Confluence, and more to supercharge collaboration. Continuous improvement. Leverage our expertise to adopt best practices and unlock new capabilities in Jira Service Management. Why T4S Partners? As trusted experts in ITSM and Jira Service Management, T4S Partners delivers unmatched support and value. With SureSupport, you gain a partner dedicated to helping your service teams thrive. Let's discuss how SureSupport can take your Jira Service Management to the next level. Email Adrian to schedule a call.